Good morning, students. You are again welcome to Excel Commerce, and today we are going to discuss all the features of marketing management. In my last video, I explained about need and want. Need and want is one of the feature of marketing management. So today I will also discuss need and want once again so that you can understand the meaning of need and want in a better way. So these are the features of marketing management: need and want, creating a market offering, customer value, and exchange mechanism. So we'll discuss each one of the features of marketing management. Now, first one is need and want. What is the meaning of need and want? These words are used several times by you, but in actual sense, which is applicable in marketing management, it is a little different, or we understand the meaning of need and want differently in marketing management. Need. What is the meaning of need? Need means when a person feels deprived of something. When a person feels deprived of something. Say for example, there are school going children and one of the friend of you, he is using a bicycle to go to his school, and the other friend does not have bicycle. Then the other friend, he feels deprived of something, means deprived of bicycle. He feels that if I have a bicycle, I would have gone to my school by bicycle. So that is the meaning of need. So need means when a person feels deprived of something. Now what is the meaning of want? Need is always considered in a broader sense, and what want is in narrow sense. Want is specific. Want is specific. Suppose you have a need of mobile phone. Suppose you have a need of mobile phone. So here the meaning of need is you need mobile phone. You are in need of mobile phone. If you do not have mobile phone, it means you feel deprived of mobile phone. But in what way you can understand want? Want means specific. Say for example, you want Oppo, that too which model you want. So want is specific. Now these are the features of marketing management: need and want. So what you need and what you want, and accordingly you search for the product. And it is the responsibility of marketer to offer you such type of product which can satisfy your need and want. So that is one of the feature of marketing management: need and want. So you should understand the meaning of need and want related to marketing management. The second one is creating a market offering. Creating a market offering. Now in marketing management, marketers, they not only offer you a product. It means suppose you want a pen and you have gone to purchase a pen. Then they offer you a pen. No. Creating a market offering means what? They not only offer you a pen, but they tell you all about the pen. Say for example, what is the feature of the pen, what is the advantage of the pen, what is of the benefit of the pen, about the packing of the pen, about the quality of the pen, about the price of the pen, all, the entire package. They offer you the entire package, so that when you use that product, you derive satisfaction out of it. So what is the intention of marketeer? The intention of marketeer is to provide you satisfaction out of it. When you use that product, you derive satisfaction out of it. Then the purpose of marketeer is solved. So that is the meaning of creating a market offering. They offer you the complete package, not only the product. They want to tell you all about the product. Third is customer value. What is the meaning of customer value? Whenever you want to offer a product, you should add value to it, so that the customer feels that if I have invested a particular amount of money to the product, then it is worth. If suppose you offer a product of not that much good quality, or the amount that the customer pays and he feels that he is cheated, it means you have not added value to the customer. So creating a value to the customer, it means the customer should feel that if he has invested a particular amount of money, it is worth. Means buying of the product is worth for him. जितना पैसा उसने दिया है उसके हिसाब से उसको प्रोडक्ट मिला है. So this feeling should be there in the customer, and marketeer should offer such type of product which can give value to the customer. So you should add value to the customer. Say for example, when you go to a marriage party and you carry a gift, so the gift is packaged. The packing of product is done in a beautiful manner, so it adds value to it. The same thing marketeers offer to the customer, they add value to the customer. And last feature of marketing management is exchange mechanism. What is the meaning of exchange mechanism? In fact, it is a process of exchange. Marketing management is related to the process of exchange. It means you offer a product to your customer and the customer pays you in the form of money in return. Earlier, what was the concept of exchange? The goods were exchanged. Suppose one person has rice and the second person has gold, and they want to go for exchange. Then it was possible. But now, with the influx of money or with the introduction of money, the exchange mechanism takes place when you offer a product to your customer and your customer pays you in return in the form of money. So that is exchange mechanism. So these all features you should remember of marketing management: need and want, creating a market offering, customer value, and exchange mechanism. So I think you must have understood all the features of marketing management. In my next video, I'll discuss about all of the philosophies of marketing management. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.